This is the Associate Drive event at Honda South Carolina Manufacturing in Timmonsville. We wanted to offer this event to associates just to show our appreciation to them for all the hard work they put in with all the challenges that are going on, and just to let them experience the products that they build every day and just have a good time with their friends and family.
It means a lot. Majority of our associates don't get the opportunity to ride in the vehicles that they build every day. To bring my family out and kind of enjoy a little bit of time on the trail means a lot.
I wanted to see how they perform outside from the assembly line. The truck was super fun. You know, they had dirt out there, like loose dirt. They had water pits, they had hills.
There's a rock obstacle as well, a rock bed that's about 50, 100 feet long. It's a variety of surfaces too, between slick mud, we've got grass surfaces, and we've got dusty surfaces as well.
You really can go through the mud, over rough terrain. Like I went over a patch of rocks, and when you get it in the wide open, that speed is there.
This is a fantastic vehicle. I enjoyed the ride.
It makes me appreciate that we're putting a quality product in the market, and that whatever we're building at the plant with these units is making other people happy and excited about going outdoors and going traveling and on adventures.